Ano to?
Mga kagamitan nila ng mga lumang kagamitan.
Grabe guys, ito yung mga sinaunang ano. Actually pinuntahan namin to guys na ano yung ito yung history ng martyr, yung tatlong martyr na pinatay. So ito yung ano nila, ito yung tirahan nila. As in, sobrang napaka ano nito, sacred ng lugar na to kasi dito talaga guys pinatay yung ano, according to the history, dito pinatay yung ano, yung tatlong martyr. Yan, kalahin mo, tignan mo kung nandito ka sa ano to, nabuhay ka sa ano, matagal na to kuya, no? Sobrang tagal na, talagang historic siya. Hi! This is a cow.
Oh, it wants grass.
Kiss nga. You wanna kiss? Saan yung exact location ng ano, pinatay sila? Saan yung exact location na pinatay sila? Dito mismo? Patingin nga ano number 7. Ano yung number 7?
Northwest.
Step on the bee. Step on the... I don't want it.
Step ka.
It's gonna sting me.
Ayan. Akit na tayo dun.
Mom, careful.
This is the real bed from the 19th century in the 20th century highway. Yan.
Oh, there's a harness.
Kaya maganda yung sa bata. Kasi
Nak, yun yung chart na pinuntahan natin, yung tatlong ano, yung martyr dito pinatay.
dito sila pinatay.
Dito pinatay.
Wait, what?
The martyrs. This is their granary. The establishment of farming operations provided the community with a stable food supplies, at one time boasting a 3-year surplus. So this is the place where they stored their harvested foods, like this one, corn.
Yung bagong lagay yun.
This is, they call it in Colombage, named for the French construction style with the dominant at St. Mary. This structure has been rebuilt as a supply depot. This is the
Nila. Ang gamit nila po. Yan. Ang gamit nila.
Hindi, doon sa kabila tayo rin.
Hindi na, doon sila ate. Naghihintay sa atin.